the software offers us a selection of pens. We're going to look at the Magic Pen in the next slide, but first we're going to look at the other few pens we have. They can be found up here in the pens, and when you click that, you get more options. So the normal pen is obviously just for writing. The crayon pen goes like a crayon. You can always go to change the color, and you can change the thickness. Highlighter will highlight a piece of text. The creative pen is just a fun pen where you got a bunch of funky lines you can use. And the shape recognition pen will identify a shape and make it nice and clear. It works with simple shapes like square, like circle, and you can try to go ahead for something like a star, but I'm not sure if that will work. So stick to the simple geometric shapes, and it works well. Let's undo everything. You can customize your pens. For example, if we go to a highlighter, you can always go to your property tab here, and you can also customize it from here to get more variety if necessary. And so some options are here and the rest are via the property tab. One more thing that's worth mentioning about the pens is that if you are writing on the board, for example, if I write word here, and then you click the select tool and you pick up the word, then it's easy on the board. I'm doing it on the computer, but as long as it's written kind of fast enough and the letters are close enough for the computer to recognize that it is in fact a word and not a bunch of random lines, then you can click the word, and then under the little triangle in the corner you've got the recognize option, and you can recognize it as word, and if you click that, it's simply going to type the word. So for example, if children write on the board, you can try to use that and turn it into more readable words. It will also work in other languages. For example, if I write here, or at least I will try to write here shalom, I'll get the select tool, and here I'm going to ask it to recognize language as Hebrew, and it recognizes it as Shalom. There we go. So try for Afrikaans, try for English, try for Hebrew.